Good afternoon everyone, welcome to another vlog here on the World of Coasters. Today we are in central London for the Hyde Park Winter Wonderland preview event, but we're actually staying in the Hard Rock Hotel, so I'm going to give you a room tour of that hotel. So let's go inside and have a look. Standard key fob door as we go inside. So when you come in, it's quite narrow looking, but they've used the space very well. We've got like an outdoor window view, but if you were on the inside rooms on the other side of the corridor, you wouldn't have a window. So it's a nice upgrade for us. So when you first come in, obviously you've got all your stuff on the door for the fire plan and all that. Every room comes with air conditioning and your deadlock and all that. And you've also got the come back later sign. Immediately to the left we have a cupboard where you'll find your safe and all that, so you've got your wardrobe in here, that's just my coat. So you've got your Hard Rock branded dressing gowns here, quite nice quality. I imagine you can buy these, ironing board, even some slippers and kettle and all that, which is nice to see. There's your hairdryer and iron down there. And of course your safe, which is your pretty standard one. We do have a broken hanger in here, but oh well. And that's on like little switches for the lights, that's pretty cool. So moving on down the corridor, we have the mirror, which is like your full length mirror. Hi there. This one has various heights of celebrities, all being musicians of course. This is the Hard Rock Hotel after all. Yeah, and there's also a socket down the bottom of here. I'm surprised it doesn't have lighting on it, but I suppose it doesn't need it. It's quite well lit. There is a little light above. Behind us we have the toilet, which, let's have a look in here. It's looking quite plush, very nice and clean, simple, plenty of consumables here. What we got? We got skincare, so I imagine that's soap, vanity kit, shower cap, sanitary bags, shampoos and shower gels, which is good because being here for one night we're living out of a small backpack and we will need them. Got your drinking glasses and shaver port. Big old mirror with me, hi. Then we got our sink here. Louise has already opened the soap up, so that's what that looks like. You got a toilet here, and I think there's going to be an issue. Fans of the channel will know. My bum is not square. I'm upset, Lou. The toilet is square. That's a negative for this. But yeah, that's your toilet. Does the job. Give you a couple of loo rolls in the room, so for one night that should be more than enough. Also, you've got a heated towel rail here with towels and flannels included. The shower does look quite nice. It is a shower bath combo in this room. It's quite a small bath as it goes, so I don't know how you'd get an adult in that, but kids, yeah, will fit in there fine. But the shower looks very nice and fancy. It's like a rainfall one hanging from the ceiling, and we got a smaller shower attachment down here. Very impressed with the bathroom. Moving back out into the main room, we're going to head into the chamber now. You've got the bottom of the aircon here, so it pumps straight out into the main chamber, which is good. We have a desk area off to the left here. It's all very nice and plush here. It's like very high quality, it's simple but does the job. So you've got a seat here, which Louise has got her coat on at the moment. Looks like, does this pull out? No, it's just a storage area under there. Got your tea and coffee facilities, little coffee machine, might have to have one of those in a minute. Ice bucket and all that. And these are your room keys come in, they give you two. So yeah, it's all very nice and plush. And then here's I think this is like a little menu for the breakfast and all that. Didn't have to make a reservation for the breakfast, but yeah, it has all the times there if you're interested. We do have breakfast included, so we get that in the morning. Up here is a very nice television. We're talking LED, well, I don't know whether it'd be a smart TV in a hotel, but very nice. We've got some pictures of David Bowie on the wall here, just smoking a cigarette. This is a non-smoking hotel, David should know. One other thing to note about the table, there is a mini bar in here, which is brilliant because I just found this after filming. It's a complimentary mini bar as well, and it's stocked very well. So if you want it, come and take it. Complimentary mini bar, so I imagine that means we're not going to get billed for it, which is good. And it is stocked up. Have a look at this. We've got some chilled popcorn in here. So you got your salted and some crisps. That'd be good. I think we'll definitely take those. 2 packs in there. Then we have 2 Cokes each, diet and regular. Waters, which we'll use tonight. Corona beer for myself. And what's this for Louise? Pinot Grigio. This is going to be a very interesting night. So the bed, I'd probably say, is a king size if I had to guess. It is bigger than a double. We've got our bag just over there, which is what we're living out of for the one night. Comes with 2 pillows, and they've actually got these little details in the corner, which is quite cool. Little guitars here. Both sides have your bedside light and USB charging ports with general sockets, which is good. Headboard is nice and soft, so there's no chance of whacking your head on that. And then if you actually have a window view room, this is your view basically, because it is just down the side of not Bond Street, Oxford Street. Currently construction workers all down there at the moment, but we're on the 3rd floor. So that's the view. One other thing to note, there is a phone along here, and the switches for the room, so you can switch them from the bedroom. So that's my tour of the Hard Rock Hotel room. This is just a standard double room. Louise is hiding away, been hiding the whole time. What do you think of it, Lou?
I like it. It's small, but it's like more than enough room for 2 people.
And it's perfect.
And we're in London.
Yeah, and it's perfectly placed for Hyde Park Winter Wonderland. Like literally, we will come out of here, we will go left, and Marble Arch is just round there. Like I said, the charity event is 5 PM to 10 PM, so we're just going to come straight back here, crash out, have a nice breakfast in the morning, and do some of the attractions tomorrow. If I've missed anything in this room tour, by all means leave that in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye!